Yes, sir.
Let us see some applications of phasor. I1t, that is 10 sin omega t plus pi by 4. I2t equal to 8 sin omega t minus pi by 4. What is I1t? How to find this?
First, we will convert the individual I1 and I2 to phasor,
Very good.
and then multiply them. Then we will get the addition of both.
And we can add them like vectors. So I1 phasor would be like something. I1 would be real part of I1t by root 2. Root 2 is coming because I want to have it in terms of the RMS. Okay. Sorry, not correct. I1t, that would be real part of root 2 I1. Okay. Then what will be I1 be? I1 will become ten by root 2 e to the power of j. From now on, I will write j instead of I. Okay. Could you please check? Whether the real part of this is indeed I1t or not. So this is equal to this 10 root 2 e to the power of j omega t minus 5 by 4. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
We often now we can separate 10 root 2 e to the power of minus j pi by 4. You can write it, or you can write I1 in this way. Okay. So by suppressing or ignoring this e to the power j omega t, it is always there. Okay, it is there. This is the I phasor. So I1 would be, so I would be real part of square root of 2 I e to the power j omega t. Okay. So this part this part is like a vector and we can plot it this way. This is my pi by 4. This magnitude is 10. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We can do the same thing about I2 with I2 as well. Let us take a different color. I2 was 8 sin omega t minus 5. Okay. Same thing. Some books they directly do it without this additional pi by 2, but I want to do it in order. Being perfectly mathematical. Right? Right? Check. I am interested about this part. Okay, so this would be something like this somewhere here. This is 8√2 magnitude, and this angle would be 5 pi by 6. Okay. Okay. Now we can add them just like vectors. We can add them just like vectors. So
Yes, sir.
we can add the x components. So I sum x, that would be 10√2 cos of pi by minus pi by 4 plus 8√2 cos of minus 5 pi by 6. Now cos of minus theta is cos theta. We know that. So this would be √2 only. And what will this be? Sorry, 1 by. What will this be? 5 pi by 6. Cos of 5 pi by 6, how much?
So minus √3/2.
Minus √3 by 2. Okay. So this would be 10 by 2 minus 8√3 by 2. So that is 10 minus 8√3 by 2. What value is this? What value would this be? Minus 1.93. Okay. Getting this? Similarly, we can add the I sum y, that is 10√2 sine of minus pi by 4 plus 8√2 sine of minus 5 pi by 6. So that is 10√2 Oh, no. It's not correct. 10 by 2 minus 8√3 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. 10 by 2 minus 8. You are 3. Zero point 1. 10 by root 2 cos 5 by 4 plus 8 by root 2 cos 5 by 6. Yeah. And for the sine components, minus 2.17. The sum is this sum this x component is minus 0.101 and y component is minus 2.17. So in terms of magnitude and angles, this would be I would be 2.17. And angle B this angle is 1.52. This would come something like this. Is it okay? This plus. Okay, let us see step by step. So first phasor is I1 phasor is 10 root 2 and the angle is minus 5 pi by 4. Okay. And I2 phasor is 8 root 2 and the angle is minus 5 pi by 6. Now we can add them like vectors. We can add them like vectors. So what will be I? I would be 10 root 2 this plus this. Is it okay? Is it okay? So this can be divided as real part of I, that would be 10 root 2 real part of real part of this, that would be 10 root 2 cos of minus pi by 4 plus 8 root 2 cos of minus pi by 6. Yes. That is 10 root 2 cos of pi by 4, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay. This is coming to be 0.101. This part is clear. Real part of I is clear. Is it okay?
Okay,
Is it
sir.
okay? Right? We can do the same thing for the imaginary part as well. Imaginary part of I, that is equal to imaginary part of I1 plus imaginary part of I2. That is 10 root 2 sine of minus pi by 4 plus 8 root 2 sine of minus pi by 6. Now we know that sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. So that is minus 10 by root 2 sine of 5 by 4 minus 8 by root 2 sine of 5 pi by 6. So this is coming to be,
सर हम लोग
बताओ बताओ,
सर
हाँ बताओ.
सर इमेजिनरी पार्ट वाला अभी जो लिख रहे हैं, अगर स्टार्टिंग में जहाँ पर हम लोग रियल पार्ट में लिखे थे
हाँ
वहां पर इमेजिनरी करते तो वहां से नहीं हो सकता?
एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम. देखो वही है मेरे पार्ट में.
सर तो जरूरी है कि रियल पार्ट और इमेजिनरी पार्ट का अलग अलग निकालना होगा?
नहीं नहीं, तुम जैसे कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सेम वे इमेजिनरी भी. You are basically adding. You can add this number together. You can add all the real parts, add all the imaginary parts, whatever you wish.
ओके सर.
तो इसमें कितना आ रहा है? ये आ रहा है तुम्हारा -7.83. ठीक है. So real part of I is 1.01 or something, 0.101. Sorry, 0.101. (0.101). Imaginary part of I is -7.83. So if I want to write it in the magnitude and the phase form, which is required because we have to plot them ultimately in the VT form, so IT form. So this would be I equal to R e to the power of j theta, where R is equal to 0.101 square minus 7.83 square. Okay, so this is more or less 7.83. Let's check. Right? And what is the theta part? Theta part is tan inverse of minus 7.83 by 0.101. So that is equal to tan minus 7. That is minus 1.558. Okay. So our I, what we are getting, I equal to square root of IT would be square root of real part of 7.83 e to the power of minus j 1.558 times e to the power of j omega t. Okay. So 7.83 root 2 is 11.07. So this is 11.07 real part of e to the power of j omega t minus 1.558. Okay. I would like to express this in the sinusoidal form. So I can write this as what is pi by 2? 1.57. Right? So we can write this. Can you check? I am writing it this way because I want to write it in terms of sign of something. Okay. Why I am taking this step? I could have not taken this step at all. Let us not take it. Let us not take it. So this can be written as, finally I can write it in this form. 11.07 cos of omega t minus 1.558 radians, or cos of omega t. Let us convert this into degrees. 1.558 into 180, 89.26 degrees. Check, is it okay? Is it okay? Check the entire calculation. This can also be written as
सर आप कैलकुलेशन कौन से साइट पे कर रहे हैं?
oh ये एक website you can do it. You can do it in here also. This is a software called Octave. Okay? This is a software called Octave. You can download it for free from internet. But you can do it in your calculator. No problem. No problem. Let me give you the site. The software is called Octave. Okay. GNU Octave. You can download it for free and legally. Download it legally and for free. There's no crack. There is no nothing illegal. You can fully legally download it for free. You have used MATLAB? MATLAB is here. You will use later. Okay. This is a MATLAB is not free. MATLAB costs a lot of money. Octave is a software which can do some basic MATLAB things, but it is free. The basic difference is free. MATLAB is not free. Is it okay? Practice problems. Practice problems. Otherwise, it will be difficult. How to add phasors, how to convert a signal in from the VT form, waveform form to phasor form, how to get the waveform form back to the phasor form. These things are practice. Revise complex numbers if you feel is required. You studied with complex numbers in the first semester in maths?
No sir.
Complex number maths में नहीं पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir. And, when we were in class 11.
No, that is okay. That is in school. But in university, there has been no course on complex number 8. First semester,
No, sir.
it will be taught. Because otherwise it is very difficult. If you don't have, if you are not sure of complex numbers, you will find this course very difficult. Because we will use AC waveforms and this conversion of phasors and into the real signals, and for to and fro is very important. Okay. Right. Now something easy. I have a AC source. AC source are given like this. Vt equal to Vm sine of omega t. Omega is 2 pi s, that is 2 pi by capital. And I have a perfect pure resistance R. What is I? What is I? IT rather.
The Vm sin omega t by r.
Absolutely. Vt equal to IT into R. So clearly IT would be Vt into R. That is Vm sin omega t by R. Okay. In phasor form, how will it look? V phasor, that would be Vt would be real part of root 2 V phasor e to the power of j omega t. So this would become Vm by root 2 e to the power of j0. Check. Please check. Oh, I took sign. Sorry. I should have taken cos. Whatever, no problem. And do it sign as well. What will be the V phasor? V phasor will be e to the power of minus j. And I phasor will be Im by root 2 e to the power of minus j by. Yes or no? Check. Check. So the phasors V and I, they are in phase or they are over one another. However, their magnitudes are different. So if this is my V, wait. If the red line is my V phasor, then the green line would be my I phasor. Okay. And which line would be longer? That will determine the value of R. If R is greater than 1, then the V phasor will be longer. If R is less than 1, then I phasor will be longer. Is it okay?
सर रिपीट करिए ना एक बार क्या बोले अभी.
यहाँ तक ठीक है?
यस सर.
तो हम V को बना सकते हैं, मैग्नीट्यूड पता है, एंगल भी पता है, तो मेरा V रेड लाइन होगा. Oh, sorry. This will be like this. Had I taken cos, it would have been much easier, but okay. This is my V phasor. This is my Vm by root 2 e to the power of minus j pi by 2. The magnitude is Vm by root 2. The angle is pi by 2. ठीक है? I can plot it in this way. Okay. Is it okay? V
Yes,
फेजर कैसे होगा? I फेजर कैसा होगा? I होगा Im by √2 e to the power of, ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ होगा I. ठीक है. If R is greater than 1, then V phasor would be longer than I phasor. If R is greater than 1, then sorry, less than 1, then I phasor would be longer than V phasor. But whatever value of R be, V and I would be superimposed on each other, right? Because V and I, they are in phase. If this is my V, if this is my V, this is my VT in red, my IT will be,
सर क्वाड्रेंट जो है आई और वी का साइन देख के डिसाइड कर रहे हैं,
हाँ
दोनों माइनस है इसीलिए फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट.
exactly, दोनों माइनस है इसमें.
ओके सर.
अगर हम ये साइन कॉस लेते ना, दोनों तुम्हारा एक्स एक्सिस में रहता. ठीक है. सो बोथ वी,
अगर कॉस लेते तो फर्स्ट,
हाँ,
सर कॉस लेते तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट पे होता है ना.
अगर कॉस लेते ना तो दोनों एक्स एक्स यहाँ पर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट नहीं, इट हैड बीन इन दिस, तो एंगल 0 हो जाता.
और सर आर का साइन कैसे डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि आर ग्रेटर देन 1 है या लेस देन 1?